Have you ever been swamped with so many photo editing choices, each claiming to be the best but only offering a bit? In our world today, where we snap pictures all the time, the true skill isn't just in taking the photo, but in what you do afterward. Don't worry, we've looked through all the options to find you the top 10 free photo editing software for 2024. This way, your pictures won't just be saved but treasured. Let's jump into the world of photo editing and turn your okay photos into amazing ones without spending a dime. Starting our list at number 10, PhotoScape is a versatile and user-friendly photo editing software that caters to beginners and advanced users. It's a comprehensive tool that combines photo editing, viewer, batch editing, and more into one seamless application. With its straightforward interface, PhotoScape is excellent for quick edits, creating collages, or batch processing images. Its features include everything from basic editing tools like crop, resize, and color adjustment to more advanced functions such as raw conversion and animated GIF creation. Pros: comprehensive editing toolkit suitable for a range of tasks. Supports batch editing, saving time on repetitive tasks. Offers a variety of filters and effects for creative editing. Cons: the interface may feel outdated to some users. Limited support for advanced editing techniques compared to more professional software. Detailed specifications. PhotoScape is an excellent choice for those who need a no-cost solution for photo editing without the complexity of professional-grade software. Its comprehensive tools and user-friendly interface make it a valuable asset for casual photographers and graphic designers on a budget. At number 9, Pixlr emerges as a cloud-based photo editing marvel, offering a dual approach with Pixlr X for beginners and Pixlr E for more advanced users. This software shines with its accessibility and flexibility, catering to a wide audience by providing tools that range from simple adjustments to sophisticated editing capabilities. Pixlr's web-based platform is readily available across all devices, ensuring your editing projects are always within reach, whether at home or on the go. Pros: highly accessible with both web and mobile app versions. Offers a wide range of editing tools for novice and advanced users. Supports layers and masks in Pixlr E for complex edits. Cons: the free version includes ads, which can be distracting. Some advanced features require a subscription. Detailed specifications. Pixlr stands out for its versatility and ease of use, making it a go-to choice for those seeking to unleash their creativity without the constraints of heavy software or subscriptions. Canva secures its 8th place with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and an extensive library of templates, images, and fonts. Tailored for users looking to create visually appealing content for social media, presentations, and more, Canva simplifies the design process, making professional-looking graphics accessible to everyone. Its web-based platform encourages collaboration, allowing teams to collaborate seamlessly, regardless of location. Pros: user-friendly interface perfect for beginners and non-designers. Massive selection of templates and design elements. Facilitates easy collaboration and sharing. Cons: advanced photo editing features are limited. High-resolution exports and some premium elements require a subscription. Detailed specifications. Canva's strength lies in its simplicity and the breadth of its resources, making it an indispensable tool for creating quick, beautiful designs without needing a background in graphic design. GIMP at number 7 stands out as a powerful free photo editing software that's perfect for those who need more advanced editing capabilities. It's a great alternative to paid software, offering many tools that can handle everything from basic photo adjustments to complex graphic design tasks. GIMP is especially popular among users looking for a cost-effective solution without compromising on the depth of editing features. It supports layers, masks, and custom brushes, making it versatile for photo manipulation and artwork creation. Pros: offers advanced editing tools for detailed work. Customizable interface to suit your workflow. Open source software with strong community support. Cons: steeper learning curve compared to more straightforward editing apps. Interface might feel less modern to some users. Detailed specifications. GIMP is ideal for those who want deep control over their photo editing without spending money. though new users might need some time to get used to its comprehensive set of tools. Claiming the 6th position, Adobe Photoshop Express takes the powerful features of Adobe's flagship photo editing software and packages them into a more accessible, mobile-friendly format. Ideal for quick edits, touch-ups, and filters, this app brings Adobe's renowned precision and control to your fingertips. It's perfect for users who want to enhance their photos on the go without diving into the complexities of full-fledged Photoshop. With an array of one-touch adjustments, it simplifies photo editing without sacrificing quality. Pros: streamlined interface makes it easy to use. High-quality filters and editing tools. Integration with Adobe Creative Cloud. Cons: limited features compared to the desktop version of Photoshop. Some advanced tools and features require a Creative Cloud subscription. Detailed specifications. Adobe Photoshop Express is a great tool for anyone looking to quickly polish their photos with a trusted name in photo editing directly from their phone or tablet. Our number 5 pick, Ashampoo Photo Optimizer, is designed for those who want their photos to look better with minimal effort. It's particularly good for quick fixes like adjusting brightness, contrast, and color saturation with just a few clicks. The software's user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to improve their photos, even without prior editing experience. Ashampoo Photo Optimizer automatically analyzes each photo to suggest improvements, making it a breeze to enhance your images. Pros: automatic photo analysis and optimization with one click. Simple, intuitive interface suitable for beginners. Fast batch processing for editing multiple photos at once. Cons: limited advanced editing features are available for more complex tasks. The auto-optimization feature might not always meet specific user preferences. Detailed specifications. Ashampoo Photo Optimizer is ideal for users looking for a straightforward way to make their photos look better without needing to learn complex editing software. Photopea, with 4th position, is a web-based photo editing tool that mirrors the capabilities of traditional desktop software. It's a robust platform that caters to both novices and professionals, offering a wide array of editing tools, from basic adjustments to advanced features like layers, masks, and even support for PSD files. This makes it an excellent alternative for users seeking Photoshop-like functionality without the need for installation or hefty subscription fees. Pros: comprehensive toolset comparable to Photoshop. No installation is required. It is accessible via a web browser. Supports a wide range of file formats, including PSD. Cons: can be overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive features. Performance may depend on your internet connection. Detailed specifications. Photopea is perfect for users who need a powerful editing tool on the go or prefer not to commit to expensive software. It offers a balance between accessibility and advanced editing capabilities. Securing the 3rd spot, Darktable is an open-source photography workflow application, raw developer, virtual light table, and darkroom for photographers. It manages your digital negatives in a database and lets you view them through a zoomable light table. It also enables you to develop and enhance raw images. This software stands out for its non-destructive editing, allowing users to experiment without altering the original image. Darktable supports a wide range of digital formats, particularly RAW files, making it a favorite among photographers who prefer shooting in RAW for maximum quality and post-processing flexibility. Pros: comprehensive RAW file support. Non-destructive editing preserves originals. Advanced color correction and editing tools. Cons: the steeper learning curve for beginners. Interface might be intimidating for new users. Detailed specifications. Darktable is an excellent choice for serious photographers looking for deep control over their editing process, especially those working with raw images. Climbing to the 2nd spot, PhotoDirector Essential by Cyberling offers a compelling blend of intuitive design and powerful photo editing capabilities. This software is a favorite among hobbyists and professionals for its comprehensive toolset, which includes everything from basic adjustments to advanced creative effects. PhotoDirector Essential stands out for its unique AI-powered tools, which automate complex editing tasks, allowing users to achieve professional results with minimal effort. Pros: AI-powered tools simplify complex editing tasks. Wide range of creative effects and filters. User-friendly interface that caters to all skill levels. Cons: some advanced features are locked behind the premium version. The vast array of tools might be overwhelming for absolute beginners. Detailed specifications. PhotoDirector Essential earns its place as a top contender for those seeking a balance between ease of use and the ability to execute sophisticated photo edits. Its position just shy of the top spot reflects its status as a versatile and accessible option for enhancing and transforming your digital photos. Climbing to the top of our list for the best free photo editing software in 2024 is Skylum Luminar AI. Unlike traditional photo editing tools, Luminar AI focuses on streamlining the editing process through artificial intelligence, making professional-grade photo enhancement accessible to all. Its intuitive interface and AI-driven tools allow users to apply complex edits and adjustments with minimal effort, transforming ordinary photos into captivating images. Pros: AI-powered tools significantly reduce editing time while delivering impressive results. User-friendly interface suitable for both beginners and professionals. It offers unique features like sky replacement and a portrait enhancer. Cons: some photographers may prefer more manual control over edits. Advanced features might require a learning curve for complete beginners. Detailed specifications. Skylum Luminar AI earns its first-place status by redefining the photo editing landscape with its eye-centric approach, making it an unparalleled choice for those seeking to elevate their photography effortlessly. Concluding our exploration of the best free photo editing software for 2024, Skylum Luminar AI emerges as the clear winner. Its innovative use of AI to simplify and enhance photo editing sets it apart, offering both novices and professionals a powerful tool to elevate their photographic work effortlessly.